So we are going to learn a simple Python program to calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle. This Python program will help the beginners in understanding basic concepts of Python programming, basic operators, and usage of custom functions. So first we are defining a function. So using the def keyword, we write rectangle properties as a function. And in rectangle properties, we are going to take two parameters, length and width. So we know that area of rectangle is length multiplied by width. So we'll create a variable and use star, which is asterisk, which is multiplication operator, to calculate the area. Then for perimeter, perimeter is twice length plus width. So we are multiplying 2 with length plus width. Here the important thing is to remember that length plus width is inside a bracket. So first, expressions written inside the bracket will be solved, then it will be multiplied by 2, then that calculated value will be assigned to perimeter variable, and it will return area and perimeter. So we are going to return both these variables as an output. So now let's run this program. After running this program, we will simply call this particular function. So let's say we call this, and let's say we write 10 comma 4. So 10 comma 4 means 10 is the width length and 4 is the width of the rectangle, and you can see it is returning 40 comma 28 as a output. So the output is returned as a tuple value. Now after testing the program, we will take user input. So we will take user input as length. We will write float input, enter the length of the rectangle, and width is equal to float input, enter the width of the rectangle. Then we will simply calculate and display the result. Basically, when we use the input function, it takes user input, it gives a command line input for the user, and then we are converting that input to a float value, because the operator will not work on string values. So that's why we are converting the type of input to float. By default, the type of input is a string. Same thing we are doing with width. So we are writing width is equal to float input, enter the width of the rectangle. This way you will see two input lines, and values entered in both lines will be saved inside this variable. Now we will say area comma parameter is equal to, because we know the output is in form of a tuple, so we are writing two variables comma separated, and then in the function we are providing length and width. It will simply print area of the rectangle is area, so this is area, and we are printing perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter, which is twice length plus width. Now once you will run this, it will ask enter the length of the rectangle. Let's say length of the rectangle is 100 meters, width of the rectangle is 50 meters. When we will do, it will show us area of rectangle is 5000 and perimeter of rectangle is 300. So this is a simple Python program to calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle, where you can see concepts like multiplication operation, addition operation. You can see how to create a custom function. You can see how to take user input and type conversion. So try this simple program. If you want the code, we will provide you in the description. Thanks for watching this video. For more basic Python programs like this, if you are a beginner, please subscribe to our channel and you will find many such programs.